Hey guys, welcome back to No Sticks, No Bricks, and today we bring you another 360-degree RV park virtual tour. This time we are at Newport, Little Diamond Lake. This is a KOA and Thousand Trails park, and they're combined together. I'm going to show you both sections and let you look around. It's a 360-degree video, so feel free to move your device around to look and take in the whole park. Here we go. Alright guys, so here's the entrance to the park. You got the KOA on the left side and the right, and then the Thousand Trails section is a little further back. First we're going to go show you the ranger station and show you the KOA section, and then we'll head up the Thousand Trails section. So here we go. Alright, so when you're pulling in, there's only one lane to check in, and it's right here. And there's our ranger station on the left, so this is where you're going to pull. As you can see on the sign there are absolutely no sewer hookups here for transients. And then directly to our right is the one of the KOA sections. It's nice and wooded in this RV park. It is a little bit tight, especially on the Thousand Trails side. There are some cabins here on the KOA side. There are not any cabins on the Thousand Trails side. Most of the sites here are 30 amp electric only. Like I said before, no sewer. 30 amp and water only is what I meant. All right, as we come around this corner, this is where the dump stations are gonna be. There's two of them. One of them is right there where that yellow truck is, where he's got the honey wagon dumping, and the other one's to my right over there where this guy's dumping with his travel trailer. And then directly in front of me here is laundry service. They're maintenance buildings. There is a bathroom right here. They do have propane right to my left here. There are hours for the propane. And there's the ranger station on my left again, and we will continue on to show you the rest of the KOA, which is across the street here. It's a nice little cool water wheel right here to my right. A lot of empty sites here at this KOA park, and probably because it's a Tuesday today. When we go over to the Thousand Trails side, you'll see that it's pretty full. This road to my left here, it goes back to a lodge, and there's a horseshoe pit back there. I think the lodge is available for rent. As you can see, this RV park is pretty spread out. There's a little over 300 sites here between KOA and Thousand Trails. For reference, site 217 is on my left. There's a bathroom and shower house and a dumpster off to my left there. As you can see on my right, there's a few pull-through sites here on the KOA side, which is always nice, especially when you have a big rig. But most sites in this park are back-end sites. They do have some group camping sections on both sides, both the Thousand Trails and KOA side. So if you're looking to group camp, this would be a good campground to do it. a few private sites also in these two campgrounds. Not very many, but a couple. This RV park is located just out of Newport, Washington. It's almost right on the Idaho-Washington border. Newport's only about 15 minutes away. And for reference, site 250 is on my right, 250. 242 is on my left. In case you're looking at a map of the park, you kind of know where we're at. And we'll come down here and show you the tent section for the KOA part. There's Summit right there on my left. Most of this RV park is gravel and it is a little bit dusty, but not too terrible. Another dumpster on my left there. This brings us back out to the beginning. There's the water wheel on my left, the ranger station right in front of me. Show you what the laundry facility looks like on this side of the road here. And you'll see our truck there because my wife is doing laundry right now. There is a camp store as well, directly on my right. They do have limited hours. There's the laundry facility right here to my right. We've not been at the camp store because they're only open, I think, Wednesdays through Sundays. We're only here today and yesterday, so we won't be able to get inside and take a look. All right, so now let's head on over to the Thousand Trails section. Alright, so you'll see right in front of me there's a sign where it says Members Camping, and that is your start of your Thousand Trails section. And of course, if you're a Thousand Trails member, then you definitely have to camp on the Thousand Trails side. They warned us that if we camped on the KOA side that they would make us move, so just be aware of that. All these are back-in sites here. As you can see, they are a little bit tight. As far as the distance between the RVs, they're not too bad, but from the road to the site, it's a little bit tight. There are a couple pull-through spots over here as well. You can see that river stone on my left is in one of them. I do have campground Wi-Fi here. I have not checked it out. Our Starlink is working pretty good. We found a open sky. AT&T is working good. T-Mobile is working good. I cannot verify Verizon. So if you go to your right here, it's actually exiting, and there's a quicker way to get to the sections, but where we're at anyway. So, but here is more sites for the Thousand Trail side. So we got sites 71 and 72 right to my left for reference. One thing about this park is you do share your electrical box and your water connections with your neighbor. You each have your own, they're just together. See a couple pull-through sites along this section as well. But again, most of them are back in, and a lot of them are small for smaller RVs. A little bit of a hill here. There's a group camping section right there to my right. Take you through there and show you what it looks like. Looks like you could get 1, 2, probably 4 or 5 different RVs in this section. It's another horseshoe pit area right to my right there. And a pavilion to my right. Actually, there's quite a few different sites up here. Yeah, that whole area back there was group camping, so there's probably at least a dozen sites in there. So if you're looking to book a large area with a bunch of RVs, this would be a good spot. All right, I'm gonna come around to the left here. And we're entering the section where our RV is. And there's Large Marge to the right there. And we are in spots 121 and 122 with Steve and Jen. So this is where a lot of the larger RVs are, even though it is a little bit tight to get in. Once you get in, the site is actually pretty decent size. It's just getting in the site that can be a little bit of a challenge because the road is tight, and so you got, you know, trucks and stuff parked on the road that kind of become obstacles. Trees become obstacles. There is a shower house and a dumpster off to my right up here. There's site 133 on my right for reference. Another couple pull-through sites up in this area. Like I said, this RV park, I should say, is really spread out. Another dumpster off to my right there. And now we're back to where the group camping is on my left here. All right, so let's go show you what the lake and the pool and all that looks like. It's in a different area. Alright, so this comes back out onto the main road. This is an exit only. There is some spikes there, so you do not want to enter it from this way for sure. Alright, so here's the main road, and straight ahead of me, way up there, that's where the laundry facility is, and the ranger station and all that. On my left, you can see they actually have a frisbee golf course. Kind of neat. They mow all the lanes to get to the different frisbee golf buckets or whatever they call them things. I don't know. Coming up on my right is a playground and another place for bathrooms, as well as 3 basketball hoops. And then straight ahead of me is the dog park. And then this little road right here to my right, it loops all the way around and goes to the lake and then up to the pool house. As you can see, that Frisbee golf course is pretty spread out too. All right, now we're coming up on the pool. So there's the pool, and I believe they have a hot tub on the inside as well, according to their map. We haven't been here yet, but it looks pretty nice. And we are in the middle of a heat wave here in Washington. It's in the mid 90s to lower 100s. So the pool is definitely being utilized. There's a little playground off to my left over there. I'm not sure if you can see it. And now we get to the lake. They do allow fishing in this lake, and you don't even have to have a license according to the park ranger. They do have paddle boats and little boats to rent as well. And they do allow swimming in this lake as well. It's pretty small, but the water looks pretty clear. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. All right, guys, that's it. That pretty much is the whole campground. I didn't go through every site. This video would be way too long. Like I said, it's a very spread out campground RV park, and it is a KOA / Thousand Trails together. But it is a nice park. We've enjoyed our time here, even though it's only for a couple days. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit a like, and please consider subscribing as well. Hit the little bell so you're notified whenever we release new videos. Until next time, guys, safe travels.